The Northern Ri-Bhoi College Diwon Umden today concluded its first annual College Week celebration alongside the felicitation ceremony for the BA batch of 2021-2024. The event was attended by Nongpo MLA Meralbon CM accompanied by the college principal E.C. Benny. In his speech, CM underscored the importance of students' engagement in both academic and extracurricular activities. The event provided a platform to celebrate the students' accomplishments and foster a sense of unity and pride within the college community.
Academic issue that we have, how to cope up with the national education policy that has been in place. It is not an easy task, but as a sponsoring body, we are not losing any hope, and we are very optimistic that the dream and aspiration that each and every family members, especially the poor family of this area, they are having. Those who cannot afford to send their children to Nongpo or to Shillong, they can have the same education at par with other college and university here.
The Khasi Students Union KSU Pahams EM unit yesterday